Data center proxies are fast. They are simple, and they help you stay anonymous online. A data center proxy is an IP address created inside a data center. It is not connected to a home or mobile device. This makes it very fast, very stable, and affordable. When you use a data center proxy, websites do not see your real IP. They see the data center's IP instead. This protects your identity and helps you avoid blocks or restrictions. People use data center proxies for many online tasks, like web scraping, SEO tracking, market research, automation tools, ad verification, and managing multiple accounts. Data center proxies are perfect for these tasks because they are fast and easy to rotate. With FlashProxy, you get high-performance data center proxies. You get unlimited bandwidth, fast speeds, low latency, instant activation, and multiple global locations. If you need speed, stability, and a cost-effective proxy solution, FlashProxy data center proxies are the right choice.